Hey people, welcome back to the channel. Off to Rogate today, but before we go, I've had a few requests for a bike check, so I thought I'd do a quick one before we head off. This is my 2019 Rocky Mountain Slayer, full carbon. I'm going to run into a few bits that I've got on the bike. So, 2019 Rocky Mountain Slayer, and this is the large size. Full carbon frame, as I said. And to be honest, I've not upgraded the bike a great deal. I tend to just replace and upgrade as and when things need replacing, but I'll get into a few of the bits that are on the bike. So to begin with, for suspension, I'm running the Fox 36 Performance 4-cut front, and that is 170mm of travel. In the rear, we've got the Fox DPX2 rear shock, and that's 165mm of travel. Brakes are as they come out of the box, Shimano SLX, and I'm also running the Shimano SLX 11-speed. The bike also comes standard front and rear with Shimano 203mm rotors, so pretty good stopping power all round. Getting into wheels and tyres. For tyres, I'm running the Maxxis Minion 2.5s on both front and rear. However, on the rear I am running the Terra Max version. And then we get into the upgrades a little bit. So I recently purchased the Hunt Trail Wide wheel set. These are a 30mm rim width, and I'm running these tubeless with a full muck-off tubeless setup. WTB Volt Race saddle for this bike. I get on with it very well, very comfortable. And seat post, I am running a dropper, and it is the Raceface Turbine R, which is essentially the Fox transfer dropper post. Finally, we're running the Sensus ODI Distobos grips. Love these grips. I think they look great on the bike and they do feel great as well. Renthal Fat Bar Light, 780 in width. And we've got some nice chrome red Unite components, spacers in there as well. And to keep things Renthal, I'm running the Renthal stem. To finish it off, Unite components top cap. And I have got the Rough AF decal on there in memory of Geordie Lunn. Beautiful. So that's my 2019 Rocky Mountain Slayer. Off the Rogate.